Hi, I am Deepak Siddharth, founder of RDX Digital Technologies. In t-shirt printing, we have three major technologies. One is screen printing, DTG and DTF. Each one is strong in certain areas and weak in others. For screen printing, is still the best when you need brightness, durability and value-added effects like puff, foil, glitter and special underbases. But it becomes slow and costly for short runs and you need multiple screens for multicolor work. In DTG gives good color gradient and soft hand feel. Compared to screen, maybe it is not as soft as a discharge print in screen printing, but it is comparatively softer than DTF. But it struggles on dark garments because it needs pre-treatment and the opacity of the white is not as good as a DTF or a screen printing. Also, the speed is very slow when the volumes are high. DTF solves some of the DTG weakness, especially print anywhere convenience. But the hand feel is still like a film on top, which makes many buyers do not prefer for premium garments and large runs become expensive. It is not as cheap as screen printing. This is why many factories worldwide are moving towards hybrid printing, screen and digital working together on the same line. Hybrid uses a screen underbase for brightness, durability and any special effect you want. On top of the underbase, you print digital colors, so you avoid making screens for multicolor artwork. You just need the screen for the underbase. The practical advantages are simple. Short turnaround time for 10 to 500 pieces orders, lower labor dependency, consistent color matching across repeats, more flexibility for small lot fashion cycles. It's not about replacing screen, DTG or DTF. Each still has its place. Hybrid simply fills the gap where screen is too slow and DTG and DTF are not economical or do not match the required feel.